Connor, you have to switch feet. No. Connor, go like this.
I do.
Good.
Remember I
No.
always kick hard
Right.
when I do.
Junior,
when I'm
look at me,
doing
switch
that,
feet. Go.
the
Ah!
The kicking with that.
Good. Hands like this.
With that.
All right.
That's what
We're
I'm
going to do
doing.
apodo orligi. Repeat after me. Say apodo orligi, sir. Good. Raise your hand if you know this. All right, Gino, show me. But you have to show me the kick. Who can do the kick? Oh, good, Gino. No, Gino already did it. It's axe kick. Your leg has to be straight, all the way up, all the way down. Do you guys understand? Yeah! Good. Kick right in front of you. Ready? Hands up like this. Get set. Hands up, Gino. Go! Good. Ready? Go back. Hands up. Hands up. Ready? Go! Good. Go! Go! Good. Stop! Oh, no. Look at me. You got to pay attention. Understand, sir? All right. Hands up like this. Junior. Hands up. Switch feet, Connor. Good. Hands up. Ready. Go! Good. When I say switch feet, you're going to go like this. Go. Ah! Go! Oh, you have to switch feet, Connor. Not like this, but you have to go like this. Go.
Wait, I'll be right back.
No, it's all right. He knows. Ready, Connor. Go like this. Go. Ah! Good, like that. Junior, you too. Switch feet. Good. Hands up like this. Gino, switch feet. Ready? Get set. Straight up, straight down. Hands up. Junior. Go! Good. Legs straight up, straight down. Keep your legs straight. Go! Good. Ready? Go! Good. Ready? Go! Good. Ready? Go! Good. All right. Switch feet. Go. Ah! Switch feet, Connor. Good. Hands up like this. Good. Repeat after me. Say 안에서 밖으로 차기 sir. Good. Anybody know this kick? Raise your hand. Connor, what is it? You have to kick with your other leg. Anybody else? Gino? Connor? No? Good, but you have to kick with the other leg. And you have to do something, right, sir? Good. All right. Kick your hands like this. No, switch feet. Connor, switch feet. No, Gino, stay right there. Hands up like this. Good. 안에서 밖으로 차기. Everybody look at me. Good. You're going to go in and then out. Make a big circle with your foot. Go! Switch feet, Connor. One more time. You're going to go up and then out. Ready. Hands up. Hands up. I know Junior's good at this kick, right, sir?
Yes, sir!
All right, ready. Go! Oh, okay. Junior, you have to kick with your other leg. Understand, sir?
Yes, sir!
Let's kick with this leg. Ready. Go! Good. Hands up. Ready. Go! Good. Your foot has to go the other way. You're going like this, Connor. You have to go like this. Understand, sir? All right, hands up. Hands up like this. Ready. Go! No! If I have to tell you to do that again, you're going to go sit down. Understand, sir?
Yes, sir!
All right. Hands up.
Yes, sir!
Hands up like this. Ready. Go! Good. Ready. Go! Hard back. Good. Switch feet, Connor. Good. All right. Hands up like this. You're going to go straight up and then outside like this. Hands up. Gino. Ready. Go! Kick with the other leg, Connor. Ready. Go! Good. Let's see who can kick the highest. But your foot still has to make a circle. Hands up. Junior. Hands up. Ready. Go! Good. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up like this. Go! Good. Ready. Go! Good. What's this kick called? Okay, so this kick is called 안에서. Say 안에서. Good. 안에서 밖으로 차기, sir. Good. Hands up like this. When I say switch feet, you're going to go, go! Good. Okay, hands up. From right here, we're going to go like this. Out to an axe kick. Like this. It's going to go out and then straight down.